In the middle of rotating these tires, we got one that's giving us some problems. But we committed. Once you start coming out, ain't no stopping. So you don't want to leave it like that. What if the guy have a flat and he can't change his tire? So we gotta go for it. It's gonna snap, but. All right, guys, enough of this. All right, this thing, I don't know who make this, but I'm going to get my Milwaukee half-inch drive and see if that'll take it out. Now, guys, this is one of those customers that's saying it wasn't like that until I brought it in, until y'all mess with it. So we up against a fight as far as who's going to pay for this. No, I'm not doing this for free. Lug nut, yeah, I do that for free, but a stud, I got to take all this stuff off and go behind it. So, but first I got to get this, go ahead and snap this off. Stay tuned. Let's see if this Craftsman, this thicker Craftsman will save the day. Whoa, it's breaker bar time. Alrighty, guys, I got it out. Like I say, we committed. We had no choice. So now we got to deal with the task of simply replacing it. Yeah, just use a hammer, guys, and whack that out of here. Now installing a new stud. They create enough of it? Yeah. And taps.
Taps?
Yeah, not. Now, make sure you blow the threads in so that it don't happen. Even the